All right, we are at room 428. This is a oceanfront master. So let's take a look. Good look. We got some weather blowing in. You can see you are quite literally beachfront. Steps to take to the penthouse. Individual elevators, individual control systems. Again, that'll take you back down. We're on the 4th floor. They start on the main floor. Masters are going to have an individual pool. 429. We are in 428. So walking into 428. If you have a 2-bedroom booking, you have a common foyer. So you've got the junior suite that's going to be like a standard hotel. So it's going to have a bathroom and 2 beds. And then the master suite, which we're about to show you. But you are inside a private foyer. So if you book a 2-bedroom, you just leave both doors open and you can flow back from room to room. Nice little foyer area. They do have umbrellas that are included. All right, so walk in the main door here. Ample closet space. This is enough to get 2 large duffels on the inside. This is up about 7 feet tall, maybe 8 feet tall. Got a closet and a full drawer system, 4 drawers. And then you have a powder room, perfect for guests. No showers or anything, but a nice powder room. And then you come in and you have a wine chiller. As you can see, they do provide a lot of food and beverage options. So cappuccino, they'll drop off cookies every day. We got a special tray. Cappuccino, or espresso machine, I should say, an espresso. Espresso pods are restocked every day. You have a electric smooth cooktop, retractable fan. And then you've got everything you would need in order to cook anything you'd want. Things like blenders, juicers, food processor. You can see a toaster, sub-zero refrigerator. This will be stocked daily. As you can see, we have all sorts of drink options and then food as well. When you're down at the pool, you're going to get the Evian spritzers. You can bring those back, cool them. See, we've got all sorts of stuff. Even a nice little happy birthday message. They gave us some chips, some candy as well. Freezer with ice. You can see that's dripping a little bit. There's some ice cream. So you walk into here. This is your laundry facilities. Washer dryer combo, ironing board, iron, laundry sink. I mean, pretty crazy. Very surprising that this is open, but it's open. So come back over here. Turn this light off really quick. All right. So you have a Wolf oven. Look at that sucker. It's brand new. Convection oven. You can see those fans in the back. A nice microwave, also by Wolf. Pots and pans. They have coffee. They're going to restock the coffee daily. A dishwasher, a wet bar area, but anything you would need to cook, clean. I see dishware. Very nice. One thing that's weird is they do provide dishwasher soap, but no dish soap. They used to provide towels. We didn't get towels, but you will have paper towel here. This is stacked with any utensils you need. Trash and recycling. They did give us a beautiful bottle of Don Julio Reposado, as well as Grand Residences Reposado as well. This is an 8-person master dining room table. Salt and pepper is here. If you get room service, they will come out. They'll put down placemats, chargers, and have everything set up for you. Very nice. And then this is, as you can see, you've got wine glasses, an ice bucket. Over there, you've got the bar sets. You can make your own drinks. You can make frozen drinks with the blender that's in there. Moving right along. These are not pull-out couches. They're just couches. They're comfortable. They're getting a little bit more tired with age. A very large TV screen. This should be around 56, 60 inches. You've got Bose, not surround sound, but Bose miniature speakers up top. And then this is where children will likely stay. If I pull this down, these are Murphy beds. So daily. They're going to set these up and they will tear them down. If they're not super comfortable, here's a hack. Ask them for pads. That's about a 3-inch pad. My children were miserable last time we were here because they are pretty firm. Now, they're not firm by Mexican standards, but they're firm by American standards. If you ask them to put on mattress toppers, they will. Much nicer. But Murphy bed. And then outside, look at this ocean front. I mean, pretty remarkable. But you're going to have a full dining room table outside, 6 people. You've got these nice rocker recliners. Have they seen better days? Probably, but they're super comfortable. You could sleep out here all day. We're going to have 2 lounges here, chair and ottoman set, and then a jacuzzi tub, very nice. And look at that. You're looking right over into the resort itself. There's Heaven Beach Bar with the best shrimp tacos in the world, I would submit. Look at this view. Just absolutely stellar. Back down. Look at that. If you're first floor master, look at that jacuzzi. You would get a 4 or 6 person jacuzzi, a plunge pool, plunge infinity pool, and then 3 of those little deep water pools that you can kind of get the sand off. Look at that beautiful stretch of beach. That's the other ocean front over there. With that, we will head back inside. The air conditioning is pumping. You don't have to worry about that. I've been in resorts where the air conditioning can't keep up. That is not this place. You don't have to worry. Look at that light fixture, beautiful. So we come into the master. Vibrant art, which I love. They did have the setup service of turn down every night. They'll put the bed back up. They do all of this. They'll bring back the drapes. But coming over, if you have a young one that you want close at hand, another Murphy bed. I've never even seen this open, but it does exist. You would just shift this love seat out of the way in the ottomans, bring down the Murphy bed, get someone close to home. Beautiful flowers that are replenished. Getting a little bit old at this point in time. Nice desk is included. That again is the whirlpool we just saw, the jacuzzi tub. But that's what your master looks like. At night, they're going to drop a pair of slippers right here. You'll have robes in his and her closets, which we'll see in a second. Got the iHome that's got a not old school at this point. It's not a USB-C, but it is a lightning charging unit. Use that as a sound bar. Look at that. Privacy, makeup room. The same functionality you'd have at the front door you have right here. Light set, a reading light set, a nice art, super comfortable bed, especially by Mexican standards. I just say that because I've been in places where it felt like you were sleeping on concrete. You do have about a 47-inch TV up here as well. Plenty of drawers, as you can see. Shifting over to this side, same setup, lights, lamp, overhead. This is going to have its own thermostat. There is a thermostat out there right next to that hutch with all the china in it. You do have an overhead fan, which is stellar. There's a fan in this room as well. As we work back, his and her closets, I mean, just remarkable. Plenty of spot for luggage up top. You've got sweater hangers galore. You're not going to have to ask. You've got an area for your suitcase. You've got 4-drawer set. And then you do have your robe, which will be in here, areas to dry things. And a shoe rack that'll probably hold 16 pairs of shoes. Luggage, or more wardrobe space. And as we walk over here, same basic setup overall. This is kind of the gentleman's side, at least for our stay. A very large safe that I have twice left open. Each time I left the safe open, I didn't know. What would actually happen is they came down for turn-in service, saw that it was open. They call security. Security will lock it, reset it, and they put a tag in saying, give us a call and come see us so we can unlock it and make sure everything is there. Super, super honest staff. It's pretty remarkable. All right, and then we've got a Jack and Jill kind of vanity set as well. They do provide all sorts of things. So cotton swabs, off, water, got a sewing kit, shoe polish, a shower cap, shaving kit, dental kit, a large thing of toothpaste, plenty of drawers. You've got a scale. Don't use it. Don't use it here. You have plenty of drawers. You got towels that are restocked. And if we come back over on this side, you're going to have that same set, everything from a vanity standpoint. Got the magnified light up mirrors, a seating area for the ladies, and then the bathing suits being dried. We've got this whole bathtub area. They will have kind of that single set of bath salts, but a very large tub for at least 2 people, if not more. What I would suggest is the best shower in the world. I just love this shower. You can see you've got 4 different positioning shower heads, rain shower heads. As you come down, you do have a hand wand as well. This is going to take care of the overhead. This will take care of the shower head. That's your hot and cold. See, there's a bench here. They are going to have Bulgari shampoo, conditioner, as well as shower gel. Look at the beautiful mosaic on the ground. And then as we walk over here, you've got a water closet, separate room. You've got toilet paper. You've got a phone, light switch, scented toilet paper. As odd as that sounds, it is quite a delight. But overall, I would contend this is probably the most thoroughly thought out, most well-appointed room that I've ever stayed in. I've been here probably 10 times at this point in time. It keeps getting better. Look, at this point in time, do they need to start replacing some of the furniture? Sure. But by beachfront standards, smells great in here, looks great in here. It's vibrant. When they come in and do a turn down service in the morning, they're going to be here for an hour doing things like squeegeeing windows. It's pretty remarkable. But one of the best views, the most comfortable stays you're ever going to have. I highly recommend Grand Residences Riviera Cancun in Puerto Morelos. I'm the OCD Traveler, reminding you to plan, travel, and repeat. Take care, everybody.